Hi, my name is Alex Steele. You're watching ModShapes, and today I'm going to show you how I built this patriotic all-American camera rig. Now this is a personal design of mine that I built in Fusion 360. It's for a GoPro camera, and it has removable plates so that you could utilize other kinds of cameras with it. Here's how I did it. One of the really cool parts about this design, as you can see in this transparency, is that I have built holes to hold the hardware. And here you can kind of see a cutoff view of what it looks like. This particular camera rig, I'm really proud of it. It's a piece of engineering that I came up with. Now, there were several different camera rigs available on Thingiverse, but this is my own design, and because I put so much time and energy into it, especially getting the knurling just right, especially focused on how to use it with the Sony A6000 or A6000 series, because you could switch out the plate and put the Sony camera on it. That's why it's a little bigger than the traditional camera rig. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. We put videos out as time and quality allows, and I really don't want you to miss anything. The most important thing that you can do today is to be kind to each other, because it's always free and it's always the right time to be kind.